Hello, my friends. Well, I hope you're not getting tired of Dutch pours. I'm going to do a few more. I'm trying to do some big splashy pieces for a restaurant that hopefully will be reopening to larger capacity soon. And I just want to have about 8 of these big splashy colorful ones to put on their walls. So that's what I'm doing. And I have raised my camera so I think you can see the whole thing. It was, I know part of it was chopped off in the last couple of them. With the canvas this size, it's a little hard to get the whole thing in view, but I think it's working this time. So I have custom mixed most of these colors. The only one that was straight from the tube is this one in Vermillion. It's a Soho color. And then I've got a warm yellow, which I mixed with Cad Yellow Light and Cad Red Light, just a little bit of Cad Red Light, just to warm it up. This is Cad Yellow Light and Vermillion to come up with a lighter orange. This is Prism Violet and Rose Madder. And this is Prism Violet and Cad Red Light. Cad Red, I don't think it was light. I don't know. It doesn't matter that much. It just reddened it up a bit to go with that. And then I don't want just a white base coat. I really want these things colorful. And if you've seen the last couple of them, you saw that I like unusual color combos. So I'm going to put down a half base coat of this lavender, which is the Prism Violet with a lot of white. And then this is white, a lot of white with a little bit of I just poured some of this mix in there and the Vermillion to come up with kind of a peachy color. So I finally come up with a Dutch pour recipe that works for me. I get the results that I like. The size sells, a little bit of lacing, and moves around well, so I'm sticking with it. So at this point I'm just experimenting with fun color combinations. This is one of my favorite color palettes, something along these lines, but I've never tried it with a Dutch pour. So let me pause the camera while I coat the canvas with the base coat, and then we'll get to work. Okay. Oops, I am back and laid down the base coat and moved it around, and time to put the colors on. I'm a little concerned about the yellow, the warm yellow. So I'm going to use it, but I'm going to go sparingly with it. So I think I'll start with the dark. Here we go. Cad orange, or vermilion rather. Put that over here as well. Gosh, I almost dumped the whole thing. Okay, I think that should be plenty. Plenty of paint to move around. I have a lot left over. Okay. Here we go. Set on cool and high. Maybe done. I just want to make this reach the edge. That is a load of color. There's always a little bits and pieces I don't like that little white thing there I don't like. Oh, I'm being so ridiculous. Yeah, I'm just going to blow that out, maybe a little palette knife work. I got rid of it another way, and I think that worked out. Wow, that is wildly bright. I like it. Let me bring you a little closer. As always, I'll put the recipe down below. I'm very pleased with the cell appearance. This is just personal preference, but I like smaller cells like this. And it's a fun little grouping of them. I was concerned that the peach colored background might be wrong, but I think it came up okay. I'm liking it. That's fun. The red on top of the purple there. Yeah, I like it. Okay, my friends. Oh, I think the camera moved the holder moved when I lifted the camera. So again, the whole thing is not in there. There we go, I think. That's as close as I can get to showing you the whole thing. I think it's all there. Okay, my friends, that was fun. For me anyway. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time.